What's up, Park Hyatt? Great to see so many of you yesterday. Another week has gone by, and I hope you're all staying well, staying sane, and hopefully staying busy. Speaking of busy, I took a quick trip down the Instagram rabbit hole. Ooh, yeah, like every 5 minutes. But I took a little trip and I noticed this recent trend, this kind of strange fascination with baking. Everybody is baking suddenly. Maybe it's the stress, right? Stress baking is a thing. Maybe it's because these recipes just generally work. But one baked item has stood out as like the king of all quarantine projects, and that's bread. Everybody's baking bread, and it's something that people are comfortable with doing at home. But suddenly, no one is gluten-free anymore. Who'da thunk it? I got a great recipe for a no-knead bread dough. You can use it in a ton of different ways, which you'll see. And best of all, once you make the dough, it'll last in the refrigerator for a couple weeks. I was a little skeptical at first, but this recipe is awesome. Check it out. Really helps to have a scale for this one. I know, I say it all the time, what an annoying chef thing to say, but seriously, buy one. It'll really help you out. So we get some warm water, and we bloom the yeast, which literally means throw the yeast in the water. There's another mysterious chef term, demystify. Once you see the yeast start to float, you stir in your flour, which you measured out on your new scale. Stir it up, don't knead it. When it starts to come together as like a kind of ugly looking shaggy dough and you're like, oh my God, this can't possibly be right, stop and set it aside. So check it out. I tried a bunch of different things with this recipe. Super happy with all of them. Here you go. So I hope you enjoy getting your hands dirty a little bit with this one. Most important is that you enjoy the process and you enjoy what you're doing, and hopefully you enjoy eating it as well. So hit me up on Facebook. I'd really love to know what you've been working on at home. If you have any questions or projects that you want me to talk more about, I'm happy to do that. We take requests. Just reach out and I'm here to help. And to all of you, stay well and take care. Talk to you soon.